Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking to keep an eye on your front door. Maybe it's whether it's packages being delivered, maybe it's somebody coming to visit you. This is going to be able to do all of that for you. This is the Google Nest Doorbell. It is their wired 3rd edition. So if you're looking to upgrade your existing Google Nest, or if you're looking to just get a video doorbell to begin with, this is going to be a perfect video for you. So first off, everything you get once you open up the box, naturally you are going to get the doorbell itself, which we're going to go over in detail here. Then you are going to get all the accessories that you will need. So first off, you're going to get the little contacts here. This makes it a lot easier to attach to your existing wired system. You're just going to slide in the basically the 2 low voltage wires and then attach it on the other side of the screws. You can go ahead and loop it around in the screws directly if you don't want to use this, but this just makes it a lot easier. Now you are going to get your mounting bracket. That's the little metal bracket right here. Makes it super easy. Now depending on your setup, if you need spacers between the wood or the brick or whatnot your setup, you can go ahead and use these little black rubber pieces, and that's going to make everything nice and even. If you don't need the spacers, you don't need to utilize these. Now if your doorbell is positioned in a certain way where you need to angle it, they do include this nice little angled. This is absolutely great if your doorbell is kind of in the corner and you want to get a better view of your porch. Maybe you have, like in my situation, I have a mailbox on one side, so this would be able to kick past that. However, my wiring is on the right-hand side, so I don't necessarily need to use the little angled bracket, but it's a nice little included. You're going to get the hardware, makes it easy, 2 little screws and 2 little wall anchors depending on your setup. You're going to get the security hardware. This is what's going to make sure that somebody doesn't rip your doorbell right off of the wall. They give you a little sticker to let people know, hey, you've got a camera. And then finally, if you do have a chime, this is how you can hardwire up the chime system. I do not have a chime, so I don't utilize this. Now, through this doorbell, you can hook it up through various assistants and have it announce when somebody's at the front door. You also get notifications on your phone, or even if you have the Google Home system, you can have it ring through those speakers. Now let's cover the doorbell itself. So as you can see, it's kind of a nice little compact doorbell here. Give you an idea of the size, it's about 5 1/4 inches in length. It's about 1 3/4 inches wide, and it's only about 1 inch in depth. Now it comes in multiple colors. I have the snow white one here, but if you have different decor or color options, you can check those out as well. Now on the back side is going to be where you have your 2 little screws. This is where you're going to attach this wire or your low voltage directly. And then you're going to see these 2 little silver discs. That is what's going to attach to the metal bracket that keeps it basically more secure and lets it know when it is mounted. You'll notice you got the little kind of recessed square parts. These are where you're going to place those spacers. Now on the front side, you're going to have just purely the camera in the middle, and then you're going to have the big button that glows when you hit it for the doorbell feature itself. Now if you are new to basically the Google Nest doorbells, or if you're looking to upgrade, this does have improved footage compared to the previous generations. This does up to 2K HDR footage, so you get a lot clearer footage, and it has a wider field of view, so you can see a lot more. It's almost a 1-to-1. That field of view is 166 degrees, so you get to see more of your porch, for example, with this lens versus the previous ones. Now, there is a lot of built-in base features, but you can also get their what they call their Google Home or Google Home Premium services, which unlocks more features. The biggest feature is those built-in Gemini AI features. It's going to be able to identify more objects. So whether it's packages, whether it's somebody basically delivering, it'll kind of describe it for you. Like, so if you get flowers delivered, for example, it's going to say a woman is at the front door holding a bouquet of flowers. So those are kind of the features that it will unlock. It's going to use those AI to kind of give you a visual description, which is kind of a nice little add-on bonus, if you will. Now, as far as the nighttime quality, this does absolutely excellent evening quality. So the sensor on this can actually produce a color image with very low light. However, if you have zero light, it also does great black and white night vision. So has wonderful night, obviously, because that's, you know, somebody may be approaching your house in the evening time, so you can get clear photos or video of that person when they're approaching your house in the evening time, which is obviously a very important aspect. Now, as far as the recording aspects, now this can adjust whether you have the home premium services, but it's going to do 10-second clips as far as your notifications, which is nice. So your phone, you'll see a quick little 10-second clip thumbnail, for example, and then it's going to be able to hold that information on their servers. If you get the premium service, it's going to be able to hold 60 days worth of event footage, and you're going to be able to adjust the length of that event footage through the settings. You can leave it at the 10 seconds, 30 seconds, all the way up to 3 minutes, I believe is the max. Now, as far as continuous, it will actually store continuous footage for up to 10 days, where you can go back and look anywhere through your time, even if you don't do the events. Now, it's not going to notify you continuously, but it is going to continuously recording if you turn that feature on. So if you miss something or the event doesn't capture something a little bit before or after, you can actually view that footage, which is a great aspect of this doorbell camera. This is only available in the wired feature of it. Now, another nice feature through the kind of upgraded features is the familiar faces. So you can go in there and earmark, as it'll start collecting faces and say, oh, these are family members, and you can give them names, and then it'll just announce when maybe a friend or a neighbor is at your front door, so then you can instantly know who is there, which is just a nice little upgraded feature as well. But overall, this doorbell is super easy to install. It's going to walk you through all the steps. The app is very, very user-friendly, easy to follow. You can easily download events or clips with the little download button and save them permanently if you need to do that as well. So if you're looking for a very user-friendly camera that has crystal clear picture, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.